Anthony asks, which email marketing system do you use to grow your business? What I use to grow my business is Aweber. And I love using Aweber because it's beginner friendly and it's easy to navigate the back office when you know where everything is. And I remember not too long ago, I did an Aweber tutorial of the back office in which I'll go ahead and put a link down below this video so that you can actually check it out for yourself. And it's not that hard to follow. So Aweber is beginner user friendly to follow. And also it's very easy to clean up your list as well. Like you don't have to manually go and delete one subscriber at a time. If you wanted to delete them in a group, then you can very well easily do that. And then if you want to go look at your opens and click-through rates, you can easily do that. And it's very easy and straightforward to follow. And it's not too complicated like I've seen some other email marketing services be like. So if you're looking to use email marketing for your business, I highly recommend using Aweber.